Ready to ditch the chaos and unlock effortless customer communication. Today, we are diving into Wati to build a chatbot that will revolutionize how you engage with your audience. First, log into your Wati account, find the automation or chatbot section in the left-hand menu. This might be represented by an icon of a robot or a conversation bubble. Click on it to access the chatbot builder. Now you are in the visual chatbot builder. You'll see a blank canvas and a panel of elements to drag and drop. Start with the trigger element, which will define what initiates the chatbot. This could be a keyword like hello, support, or a specific button. Press in a WhatsApp message. Drag this element onto the canvas. Click on the trigger element to configure it. Specify the keyword or trigger phrase that will activate the chatbot. You can set it to exact match or partial match and adjust case sensitivity. For example, let's use help as the trigger. Next, drag a send message element onto the canvas and connect it to the trigger element using the connector arrows. This element will determine the chatbot's initial response. Click on the send message element to customize the chatbot's greeting. Type in the message you want the chatbot to send, such as, "Hi there. How can I help you today?" Please select from the following options: 1. Order status. 2. Product information. 3. Contact support. To offer interactive options, drag a multiple choice or button element and connect it to the send message element. This lets users select from predefined choices. Configure each button or choice with appropriate text, like order status, product information, and contact support. Then, connect each of these buttons to different send message elements, each containing specific information related to the button label. For contact support, you could connect it to an assigned to agent action, which hands over the conversation to a human agent. Now, review your chatbot flow to make sure everything is connected correctly. Give your chatbot a descriptive name and click the save button. Test your chatbot by sending the trigger phrase, like help, to your Wati WhatsApp number, and that's it. You've successfully created a basic chatbot in Wati, automating responses and enhancing customer engagement.